Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your maths class. Till the last class, we discussed all the answers of home assignment from the chapter fractions, right? And in the last class, we discussed again how to divide fractions by fractions, okay? Now let me explain this in short again. How to divide a fraction by another fraction? The process is what? The first fraction, which is called the dividend, and the second fraction, which is called as the divisor, right? Okay. The first fraction will remain the same as question, right? And instead of division sign, you have to write multiplication sign, right? And when you write multiplication, the second fraction, right, you have to write its reciprocal. And reciprocal means what? The denominator you have to write as the numerator and numerator as the denominator, right? That means the first fraction will be the same. Instead of division sign, you have to write multiplication and the reciprocal of the second fraction. Yes. Then after, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. If the numerator and denominator, they have any common factor, then express them in the lowest form, okay? Or if not, okay, then what you have to do, you will get a proper fraction or an improper fraction. If you get proper fraction, then that is the answer. Or if you get improper fraction, then you have to express it in mixed form. Okay. So with this, we have finished chapter number 5. All the question answers we have discussed, right? Today, let us do revision of chapter number 1. Okay. Now, let's start our revision class. In your book, the first chapter, it is numbers, right? Okay. First, let us recall some terms, okay, that we got to learn in class 4, okay. We will discuss all this through some questions, okay. The first question is, write the numbers for the given number names. Whenever you given a number in words, okay, it is called what? Number name, right? Okay. You have to express this number name in numbers, okay. First one, it is 23,178, okay. 23,178, right? Now, first let us recall the places of Indian place value system. Okay, this is the Indian place value chart, right? At the right side of the table, it is ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Okay. Now let us move to the question what it is given. Okay. We are given 23,178, right? 23,000, right? That means we have to write it as 2, 3, then 100, 178, 7, 8, right? And where we have to put the comma here? 23,000, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So here we have to put the comma. So this is the number for the number name 23,178. Okay. Now let us move to the second one. 70,423. Okay. See here, 70,000, right? So where you have to put the 70,000. 7 you have to put in 10,000's place, right? For 70, that 0 you have to put here in thousands place. Then 4 here, 2 here and 3 in ones place, right? So 70,423, right? So this is the answer. Now let us move to another question. Put commas and write the number names of the following numbers. First number you were given 56,712. Okay, and the second number 41,328. Okay, now see, you are not mentioned here whether you have to do in Indian place value system or international place value system, right? So we will write the answers in both the systems. Okay, for Indian place value system, first write the numbers what you were given. Okay, and the second number here. And we know for Indian place value system, where we have to put the comma, we have to put the comma starting from the right side. Okay, starting from the right side after 3 digits, right? First digit, second digit and third digit. So we have to put the comma here, starting from the right side after the third digit of the given number. So for this number also, where we have to put the comma, we have to put the comma here in the same place, right? And for international place value system, first write the number as given in the question. Okay, now see, for international place value system, we have to put the comma after every 3 digits starting from the right side. Okay, now see how many digits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 digits. In the second number also total how many digits? 5 digits. Okay, so where we have to put the comma after every 3 digits starting from the right hand side. Okay, to the right hand side, which digit is here? 2. We have to put the comma after 3 digits, first digit, second, third. Okay, to put the next comma, is there any digit? No, right? So the same answer for any 5 digit number. Okay, when you are asked to put commas for both the place value system, the same answer you will get. Okay, now let us move to another one. Okay, the question is, write the place values of the colored digits of the following numbers. Okay, the first number is 7,01,052. 1 is colored here, right? And in the second number 25,207. This 2 is colored here. Okay, now tell me, okay, we are going to discuss in which place value system this number is given. This number is given in Indian place value system. Why? Because say, starting from the right side, okay, the first comma it is put after 3 digits, right? And the second comma it is put after 2 digits only. Here after 3 digits, right? And here after 2 digits. This is what? This system we follow in which one? For Indian place value system, right? In Indian place value system only we put comma first starting from the right side, okay, after 3 digits, then after 2 digits. So it is given in Indian place value system, and this one also Indian place value system. Now let us write the place values, right? Okay, here the place value of 1 is, the place value of 1 is what? 1 is in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. It is what? 1,000. 1000, right? Or we can write what? 1 thousands, right? Okay. Now moving to the second question. Okay, what you are given, which digit you have to, for which digit you have to find the place value for this 2. This 2 in which place? It is in ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s place, right? So for this, how we will write the place value? Okay, the place value of 2 is what? 2 into 2 is in which place? 10,000s place, right? 2 into 10,000, which is equal to 20,000. Or we can write how? 2 thousands. Yes? Okay. So today what we discussed? First of all, we discussed how to divide fractions by another fraction from our previous chapter, right? Then after we started doing revision of the first chapter from the book, and the name of the chapter is numbers, right? Okay, and we discussed 3 questions, right? First one, writing numbers from number names, then putting commas, right? And writing place values of a particular digit. Okay, here one answer it is left out to discuss. Let me discuss it. And write the number names of the following numbers. Okay, so after putting comma, what will be the number name in Indian place value system? It will be 56,000 712, right? Okay, one I have done for you, and the second one is your homework. Okay, what you have to do, you have to write the number name of this number, okay, and have to mail to my email ID, which is provided in the description box. Okay, and there is one more information. You have your second online examination on 25th of July at 6 p.m. Okay, and the syllabus for your exam is, and this is the syllabus for your second online test, which is to be held on 25th of July, time 6 p.m. to 6:20 p.m. Okay, total marks 10, and from chapter number 1 you have to study the following topics. First one, number names. You may be given the numbered names or you may be given the numbers also. Okay, and the second one, standard form of numbers. Third one, expanded form of numbers. Fourth one, successor and predecessor of numbers. And the last one, it is rounding off. Okay, and test will be MCQ type, that is multiple choice question type. Okay, so that's all for today, and homework it is already given in the video, and which I have mentioned in the description box also. Thank you everyone.